Are you scratching your head over what a DOT or MC number deactivation means? Well, you're not alone, and luckily you've come to the right place. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind these numbers, what deactivation means, and what you should do about it. First off, let's break down what DOT and MC numbers are. The Department of Transportation DOT number is like a unique ID for your trucking business. It's a must-have if you're transporting goods across state lines. The motor carrier MC number, on the other hand, is your ticket to operating legally as a carrier, freight forwarder, or broker. Think of these numbers as your business's social security numbers in the transportation world. Now, you might wonder why these numbers could get deactivated. It usually happens when a business hasn't updated its information regularly or hasn't complied with the necessary safety regulations. You see, keeping your DOT and MC numbers active isn't just about having them, it's about staying on top of your game with the latest rules. So, what happens if your numbers get deactivated? If you're caught operating without an active DOT or MC number, it could mean hefty fines or even shutting down your operations. And nobody wants that, right? Here's the good news. Reactivating your DOT or MC number is possible. The first step is figuring out why it was deactivated. Maybe you missed a filing deadline or didn't complete a biennial update. Once you know the cause, you can take the right steps to get it active again. You might be thinking, how do I keep these numbers active? It's all about keeping your records up to date. The right paperwork needs to be filed regularly, and you have to meet all safety requirements. It might sound like a lot, but that's where professionals come in. Experts like us at Moving Authority can make sure everything's in order so you can focus on growing your business. Handling your DOT and MC numbers might seem like navigating a maze. It's easy to get lost in the paperwork or miss important updates. That's why teaming up with a pro can save you time, stress, and money. At Moving Authority, we're here to help guide you through every twist and turn. All right, folks, that's a wrap. Remember, when it comes to DOT and MC numbers, staying proactive is your best bet. Don't let technicalities slow you down. If you've got questions or need help, leave a comment or reach out to us. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights to keep your business rolling. Thanks for joining us today. Take care and keep on trucking.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.